Hello, and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is what is the latest gossip about you. For that, as usual, we have three piles pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, then please hit the like button, share, like, comment. Your support means the world to me. Now, let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see what is the latest gossip about you. All right, ladder, climbing towards success. Wow, I'm seeing you guys are actually climbing towards success. You're inching towards some of the finer goals in life. You guys are reaching towards things which people around you only even aspire to have. You know what? You guys are breaking a lot of glass ceilings. A lot of you guys are actually doing way better than what you think you are doing, and people around you are really flabbergasted. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. All right. So I'm seeing you're being seen as somebody who is very stubborn, somebody who is very, you're pretty determined to achieve the success that you are. Like, you're very goal oriented and determined and persevering kind of a person. That's the whole that's the whole gossip about you. Nest, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Absolutely. I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys are being seen as somebody who is a very balanced person, somebody who is doing really well with their career, but they have also got a very stable family background, or somebody who tend to value the family values a lot, somebody who knows how to balance both sides. Victory in some endeavor. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who has emerged as victorious, who has emerged victorious in their endeavors. Somebody who has been through a lot, but somebody who has come out as a victorious person. The gossip is, this is a person who is doing so well that they can't even imagine. I'm seeing a lot of people around you who are gossiping because they can't imagine how good you are, how well you are doing in your life. They can't even imagine that. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. You are a person who is literally, you are also very intuitive. I'm seeing people are noticing how your gut feelings are on point. Maybe a lot of people, maybe you've said something to somebody, people laughed at you back then, but then that thing came true. You are coming across as somebody who is very psychic, you have a very dark energy, very attractively dark energy, just insanely attractive. Somebody who is very magnetic. That is the persona I'm getting. You'll be receiving or giving a precious gift. All right. Some of you are actually getting hitched, or you're hitting some major milestones. Maybe you are about to meet somebody whom you thought, who was literally, you thought it'd be in your dreams. Somebody, you're like a dream person you guys are meeting. That's something I can see. Vase, secret admirer. Okay, so I'm seeing for a lot of you, you have a secret admirer who you didn't know existed, but they are approaching you and you are elated because they are turning out to be somebody. Like, you guys look terrific together. That's the whole gossip, that this two, they look so good, like picture perfect with each other. Wedge, someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Literally, you are a person who is like, I'm so glad to see this. Like, seriously, this is the exact thing I was getting. You have a friend who is like a two-faced person, a two-faced friend, somebody who is a friend at face, but actually they are trying to do something else. They are actually trying to backstab you. They are gossiping negatively behind your back for sure. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. I'm seeing, yes, I'm seeing for some of you, you had to let go of a few friends and family who were only hurting you, but you still long for them. You still wish that they were a little better, but you know what, it is what it is. I'm saying, like, you guys are literally, you come across as somebody who is very empathetic, very compassionate, but you have also grown wiser in life. You have learned to let go of people. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. You are a person who is very, very successful. I'm seeing you guys are climbing towards success, and you're being seen as somebody who is meant for only bigger, better things in life. Privileged lady, you are seen as a person who has a lot of privileges, somebody who is very classy, very classy, very cerebral, somebody who tend to stand apart very easily. You don't have to do much to stand apart. You like that beautiful butterfly, somebody whom people tend to look up to. You have a standard, you set your own standards, right? Message, I'm seeing a lot of message, a lot of positive messages coming your way. I'm seeing like multiple positive messages. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are actually receiving some major promotion, some hike in increment in your pay, something of that sort. And that message is like, it's something which is sitting well with the other readings that I'm getting for you, that this is somebody, people are gossiping that this is a person who is literally doing so well, like climbing the ladder. It's a confirmation of that courtship, right? You could be meeting the one, and people are gossiping about you guys because you guys look so good together. You guys look picture perfect. That is something I'm seeing. Perspective, I'm seeing a lot of you. You know what, you're seeing a lot of positive things in life, but you have to turn your life around. A lot of you were not doing this great in your life, but you guys turned your life around 180 degrees. For sure, a lot of you have turned it around. I'm seeing also you are a person who, you have this philosophy of work while you work and play while you play. When you're working, you work very hard. When you play, when you, like, you study hard and you play hard, but when you're playing, you play real hard. Community, you are a person who is, your sense of community is very, very important. Your sense of community, like, a lot of you tend to contribute a lot in your community. That is something I can see. The Empress card, you are a person who is extremely, um you know you are the queen. You give off that confident, determined, independent, self-reliant, yet humble kind of vibes. You are somebody who is at a position in life, and you are not afraid to extend your cup of empathy, your hand of empathy to the have nots, to those people who are not as fortunate as you are. Also, what people gossip about is you are a magic manifester. You're a master manifester, somebody who has manifested their life into being. Ace of Wands, you have literally created your own life, you have created your own destiny, you have created this whole path for your own self with your hard work and your manifestation skills, and that's what people are gossiping about. You're also being seen as somebody who is courageous, who is not afraid to speak the truth, speak their mind, somebody who has got a backbone of their own, in short. Somebody who can stand up and say, you know what, the king is naked, full stop. That kind of a backbone you have. Come what may, you're willing to face the wolves. See the wolves? He's facing alone. You're willing to face the wolves alone. If that's the price you have to pay, you're willing to do that. Hierophant, you are a person who is very wise, somebody whom other people tend to come to for suggestions, for life suggestions. The gossip is like, this is a person who is so wise, way wiser beyond their age. Yeah, you are the magician. The magician, people literally feel that you have got infinite capabilities, you have got like infinite stuffs that you can do with your own self, like you have like infinite potential about you. That's how, like, you're very magical, you're very determined, very magical. The Sun card, you are being seen as a success story. You are the success story. You are very successful. Successful, determined, driven, focused. I can see all of this. Like, you are raring to go and you're achieving different milestones. Like, one milestones, you're literally conquering different milestones, one milestone, one after the other. Strength, you are a very strong person. Strong, you are, the gossip is, you're a very strong, determined, driven, focused kind of a person. Seven of Pentacles, you're very hardworking. You are literally, you bear the fruits of your labor today. You are literally, you're getting the fruits of your labor at last. You're getting what you always deserve, something that you have sown over a long time period. You guys are getting the results of those today. Yes, Two of Cups. Some people are like pumpkin to your spice. Yes, I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying? A lot of you are finding your love, your long term partner, your future soulmate, like a mate for life. A lot of you guys are actually are able to find that pumpkin to your spice, or that spice to your pumpkin, whichever way you want to put it. But I'm seeing like courtship is on the cards, and people, it's raising. You could be meeting somebody which will make a lot of raise their eyebrows. A lot of eyebrows are being raised because there's something which is probably a little, maybe somebody who is way out of your financial league, somebody who is way more settled. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comment section, what is it? The Patient Witch. Learn to get comfortable with sitting still whenever necessary. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is also very grounded. You're very grounded, very focused, yet, like, whenever you're grounding yourself, you're meditating, you're one person, but when you're working, you're just raring to go. You turn into a complete beast back then. Knight of Cups. Romanticize the present moment every chance you get. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you guys are romanticizing your current moment for sure. The Moon card. Taking time for deep self reflection is essential. Literally, you are a very deep person, somebody who is able to self reflect, somebody who is able to determine so much in life, so much. You are such a person who is, you know exactly what is right for you to do and what is not. I'm seeing you are being seen as a very thoughtful yet very determined person. You are a person who believes in romanticizing. I'm seeing a lot of romance in your life, and people are gossiping about your love life in a positive way. Another thing is, you guys are literally, your life is getting more rosier. Pink is becoming, like, for some of you, pink is becoming your favorite color. And it's coming after a long hiatus. You guys are finding that balance, that stability in your life for sure. Knight of Swords, be ambitious, chase your every dream. Literally, I'm seeing you have become way more ambitious. Somebody who is able to chase their dreams and make them a reality. You are like, you can bring your dreams to fruition for sure. Eight of Wands, light a fire underneath your cauldron and go, go, go. You are somebody who is very driven, somebody who is capable of chasing their dreams, somebody who knows exactly what is right for you to do. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. You are a person who has managed to rewrite the story. You are a person who has literally rewritten your life story. You are a person who has really changed their life. The world awaits you. You are a person, seriously, I'm saying you are somebody who believes that only live once, so it's better that we live it to the fullest. You are somebody, the gossip is, this is a person whom People want to be around you as well because you're so energetic. Your energy is completely infectious, my dear pile number one, and people want to be around you. Be honest with yourself. Yeah, you are known for your honesty. I'm seeing for a lot of you, you are known for how honest, how courageous, how determined you guys are. Gold. You don't need someone else to fix you. Exactly. I'm seeing like the gossip is you have become way more confident of your own abilities. This is a lot of Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, a lot of Pisces. I'm seeing if you're a female, you look very feminine. You are a person who knows exactly how far you have come in your own life. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see what's the latest gossip about you. Okay. Sunrise. New creative ideas, new venture, a fresh start. I'm seeing a lot of you are starting something new. Some of you are probably starting your own venture. Some of you are getting hitched and starting a family. Something of your own, a new, something that is giving you that new, fresh ray of hope that has brought a lot of fresh ray of hope and sense of clarity in your life. Solid foundation, success with effort. You guys, a lot of you are starting a new company or your own family. For both, you need a solid foundation, and also one needs a lot of effort, and you guys are putting in both. And I'm seeing a lot of success coming your way. People are gossiping because they didn't expect you to suddenly become a lot more motivated to work for your own self. Most of you are working for your own self, a goal oriented person. You have become way more target oriented, way more goal oriented and determined kind of a person in general. Older woman, dealings a relationship with an older woman. For a lot of you, you could be getting hitched if you are a man or in a heterosexual scenario to be to a older partner, even for women to an older partner, and that is making a lot of people gossip because something there could be something related to your difference in your age, but that person is superb as an individual. They are a superb person. A Another thing that I can see is a mentor figure. Could be a mentor figure turning into a lover, and hence people are gossiping. That could also be the case. But somebody, yeah, who is a solid friend, who is also a solid friend. I'm so happy for you. If it's a mentor, great. If it's a lover or a mentor turning lover, I mean, even better. Seriously, guys, I'm so happy for you. Love. I'm seeing, okay, so love is on the horizon. I'm seeing a lot of these people are also feeling very attracted. You guys, some of you have had some real glow up, and a lot of people are attracted towards you. You tend to evoke a lot of emotions in people which they can't even put their fingers on. They haven't felt this way, and people talk about it. I'm seeing a lot of admirers. A lot of people are loving you for your ideas, for your personalities in general. Pay attention to your work. Literally, I'm seeing your life is becoming very work oriented. It could be your family. That is also a lot of work. I mean, which people don't understand is the homemakers tend to stay at home moms. They tend to put in a lot, even house husbands, not just housewives. They tend to put in a lot of effort in whatever they do. And people don't really acknowledge that all the time, but they tend to put in a lot of effort. Chain of events that will affect your life. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person, you have you've got a lot of, like, you guys are having a lot of chain of events, like you're getting, I'm seeing some change in your life, some massive, like, not upside down change, but some massive metamorphosis happening in your life. Oh yes. Wow. See, you talk of change, trust me guys, I had not seen your cards at all. Next one is a change. I had not seen the next card was supposed to, excuse me, change. Yeah, some massive change. Okay. So I can see a car, a luxurious villa. So a lot of you could be shifting your there is a change, upgradation in your lifestyle, and people are talking about it. People talk. You could be getting married to somebody and living a more luxurious life while you start your own family, and people are gossiping. Also, it could be it's your own hard work that is giving you, that is paying for your better sized, like larger sized villa in your life. Thoughts. You're turning out to be somebody who is very thoughtful. Or I'm seeing like some people are like, now that you're shining brightly, some of your exes could be thinking about you. This card typically gives me the vibes of your exes maybe are thinking about you now that you're doing better. So a lot of hidden snakes might come out trying to extract from you. So be a little careful. Your life has really been a journey. I'm seeing a lot of you have been through in the past a lot of topsy turvy situation, landscape. If you have literally been through that to reach wherever you have today, sudden wealth. You are a person who has been through like a journey. Your life has been a journey of sorts. From there, you have reached a position of sudden wealth and sudden, fame and wealth, survival has been a major thing for you. I'm seeing you are a person who is, you have survived so much already in your life. You have survived, you have literally, you are thriving. You have not just survived, you're thriving in your life. You are doing so much better. You are a committed person. Like I'm seeing, like people are gossiping about how disciplined and committed and dedicated you have become. It could be towards your family, it could be towards raising your family, it could be also towards like your own company. You have become very committed. You're like, you've survived a lot. You know what, when we go through difficult times, we start valuing what we have even more. That is something people say about you behind your back. You are also being seen as a very balanced, determined, very driven, very focused kind of a person. Somebody who knows what their worth is, somebody who is willing to go that extra mile in order to get what they want in their life. People also gossip how lucky you have become. A lot of you have probably faced some initial beginner's luck, and people are talking about that for sure. Growth card. Literally, wow, you guys are growing. You guys are flourishing in life. Seriously, you are flourishing. Three of Wands. You have got a sense of direction and a sense of purpose in your life. You guys are literally, have like, you tend to stand out in the crowd as a self-made person, somebody who through their own hard work and determination have achieved so much in their lives. Yeah, you are also known for being really generous and charitable. People talk about it that this is a person who is very knowledgeable, extremely self made and successful, but at the same time, they are very nice, compassionate, generous, charitable, philanthropic. These are the adjectives that people think of whenever you come to their mind. Seven of Wands. Yeah, you are a very determined and courageous person. See how bravely she is facing all the impediments and odds. You are not scared to face the odds. You are a person who is very courageous and a complete fighter, a brave fighter. You are. Judgment. You are literally, I'm seeing a lot of you tend to get judged left, right, and center. A lot of judgments tend to come your way no matter what, but you're very good at dealing with those. You tend to deal with them like a boss. Like you are somebody who genuinely believes. You throw caution to the wind and believes in living your life to the fullest. You live your life to the tunes of your own beats. You do not let others determine how your life should be. Wheels of fortune. Yes, people are gossiping that this is a person who has turned the wheels of their fate into wheels in their favor. You have turned the wheels of fortune in your favor. Two of Wands. You are a person who is very like you hold the key to your destiny. You have come a long way in your life. There was a time when you everything was so uncertain in your life. From there, you guys have reached a position, 10 of swords, but in reverse. Literally, I'm saying there was a time when you didn't know, like where will your next meals come from. For a lot of you, you have been through like paycheck to paycheck situation, but nothing, a lot of betrayal has come your way, where you felt totally, like, totally dismayed by life, totally, mm, you lacked energy to even get up, to stand up and support yourself. But you guys are, with this 10 of swords in reverse, you guys are so, you have turned yourself into a person today who knows what is right for them to do. Nothing can stop you from achieving your goals. That's the gossip. This is okay. Six of Swords, you have faced a lot of choppy waters, literally a lot of turbulent seas you guys have faced on your way to this like success, on the steps of success. You have faced a lot of turbulences. Of course, you guys have come this far in life after you've paid the price, and people talk about it as well. Fool too. Remember, a fool too has always been a fool once at certain points. Used to be more innocent and gullible. Today, also, you jump. But before taking a plunge, you tend to measure the pros and cons of the situation, and hence a fool too and not a fool itself. You are known for your hard work and like sincere work ethics. You're known for your work ethics. Oh my god, oh, this person, they are known, like their work ethics is just impeccable. That kind of work ethics. Queen of Swords, you are a person who is very, you are very determined, very driven. You are a person who is like very, you're a very sharp and intelligent person who can see right through people's facade. So the manipulative people tend to stay the heck away from you. Wake up. What is it that you truly want? You have always had that sense of direction. People are gossiping about it, that this person has literally woken up from a deep slumber. Today they know exactly what they want out of their lives, and that is something I'm seeing a lot of them actually cheering you for that as well. Ace of Wands, don't you see how your passion makes you glow? Literally, you are being seen as a very passionate person, somebody who knows exactly how much they're like, how passionate they are, how much they're like, it's, if you have a dream, how much work they have to put in order to make that dream a reality. That is something you guys know for sure. The Chariot card, you will never get away if you keep standing still. Literally, you have a past, you have been you have been through a lot of topsy-turvy situation, but nothing can stop you from achieving your current goals. That's what I can see, and that's the gossip, by the way. King of Wands, shine your inner candlelight bright enough for others to follow. Literally, you are a teacher. A lot of you could be teachers in general, or you are so knowledgeable that people come to you for your guidance. You are like that polster in a lot of people's lives. You are that person whom people tend to look up to for life lessons, for suggestions. Your success story is almost like a survival guide for a lot of others. The Emperor, being the authority of your own life, comes with a lot of responsibility. You are a person who is very responsible. I'm saying you had to always be very responsible. Maybe you were the older sibling amongst others, and your parents were not there all the time. Maybe some of you lost one of your parents at least earlier. Some of you had to stay in some hostel. Some of you stayed away from your parents pretty early, and you started like paying for your own stuff pretty early in life, and that taught you a lot of great lessons. Three of Wands, put yourself out there and you will be rewarded one way or the other. Literally, you are a person who has managed, who has learned to put themselves out there, to put themselves, and really that has given them a lot of success. That is something that has given them immense amount of gratification. I'm seeing for a lot of you, you could be a social media creator to a teacher on social media, or some of your own website. You could be selling your own product, and that is giving you a lot of visibility and success, and people are talking about you. Yeah, it could be your own like page of products as well, page of cups. Let yourself be continually surprised by this thing called life. Yes, you are a person who is continuously, like, you are like that kid in the candy shop. You are always, you're like that child who is always enamored by what life is gonna throw at them. You are not scared. You take life as a challenge, as a positive endeavor, as a positive experience, no matter what life throws at you. And that is something that people really appreciate about you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation, guys. If yes, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see what is the latest gossip about you. Alright, wreath, sorrow over a loss. Alright, so I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys are coming out from a long term relationship, or you're faced in the recent past some kind of a tower moment, like a betrayal or a backstabbing, something that has made you vulnerable, at the same time more introspective and strong. You know, as they say, if something that can't kill us, it makes us stronger. You have turned out to be so, my dear pile number 3. Grasshopper, situations in the balance that require careful handling. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are balancing, you are performing the balancing act so, so well. You guys are doing a fantastic job at balancing things out. Teapot, deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is like, you have a very deep connection, a very deep friendship with somebody. I'm seeing when you were coming out of a difficult situation, you found yourself a mentor, somebody of the same gender, maybe a little older, somebody who has been through similar circumstances, and and have come out as a winner, and people are talking about it. They have done a lot of good. Like, you expected, when we are going through bad times, we expect our own people to do it, but this is somebody who was totally unknown to you, not your own person, but became your own. You know, at times, more than blood connections, it's your friends and acquaintances and mentors who tend to do a great hand holding, and people are talking about the friendship, the special bond that you share. Vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. I'm seeing a lot of you still tend to suffer from an anxiety from your past, that somebody, the world is out there to get you. And it's understandable, guys. But you know what? The message that I'm receiving is, the gossip is, this is a person. Today, you are at a much stable position that you even realize, and people are talking about that. People are like, oh my goodness, if this person can go through so much, literally going through hell and coming out unscathed, what why can't we be the same thing, same way? Rather, involvement with the law. I'm seeing a lot of you could be related to the law, or paralegal, or legal advocate, lawyer, something of that sort. Or some of you are also into activism, somebody who is known to be very forthright, having a strong set of principles, having a strong backbone, who stands up and speaks out against any nonsense, even if it's not happening with you. People are talking like how forthright and ethical and principled this person is. Crown, honor and respect will come to you. Literally, I'm seeing, after going through, you are coming out, like, people have seen you go through hell and back, and now you guys are getting what you deserved after fighting a strong battle. For a lot of you, it's the last decade long fight you have had, And now you are coming out as a winner, as a very strong opponent. Good news, honor, and respect. Yes, you're getting your dues. And I'm seeing more than the gossip, a lot of these people are very happy for you because they feel this is a person who deserved every bit of it. Fire. Strong emotion, passionate love or hate. You are a person who is, I'm seeing, you are somebody who is very passionate, a very good lover. You're very desirable. I'm seeing you are being seen as a desirable. You tend to literally burn a lot of people's heart. You tend to literally ignite passion in a lot of people's heart and mind. Pathway. You are somebody who has found their own way back. You are a very self made person. You are like a phoenix. People gossip about you, people talk about you because they look up to you. They wish they could be like you because they know they cannot be like you. There is only one and only one person who is you, who is like yourself, and no one else can be like you. That is something for sure. High honor. You are a person who is being seen as a very honorable person, somebody who has very high dignity. You're a very dignified person, somebody who has a class of their own, have an echelon of their own. You are very classy people. You, like, literally, I'm seeing people don't dare to mess with you. Insight. Yes, see, I'm seeing that you are being seen as a very insightful person. You see, there's this small prawn that was there. This crow did was he threw all the pebbles one by one. He dropped the pebbles inside this bottle, this tumbler. So what happened was, at last, this prawn shifted at the top as the pebbles settled down in the bottom of this water level. I mean, this is how insightful you have, a very deep insightful knowledge about life, because you have seen a lot of ugly facets of life, and that has taught you some very difficult lessons. Self-interest. Yeah, I'm seeing like people also gossip that you could be like, I'm seeing this is a little shadow side, that you are a person who knows how to look out for your own opportunities, your own self-interest. So some people might actually call you that this person has turned out to be a little opportunistic, but I'm seeing a lot of people actually tend to reach out to you for their life support. You're also very waterproof. You're very you tend to receive maybe a lot of scathing remarks even now, but you are very proof. You have like a teflon coating image from that. You are a free person. You're a very free, very somebody who has unfurled their wings in this beautiful open sky. You are that kind of a person. The moon card. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces can be significant. The moon card is typically telling me that you are a very mature person. A lot of you are very emotional, very like intuitive. Your instincts, your gut feelings, your hunches are very strong. Another thing I'm seeing is a lot of you are artists, like singer, dancer, painter, woodwork, anything. You guys are great artists. Six of Swords. You are a person who has literally, as they say, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. You are that toughy person. Somebody who is like, you literally have not given up in the face of severe impediments and have fought things through to see today, wherever you are, you could come out. Your success story is almost like a life lesson, survival guide for a lot of people. Yeah, you're very introspective. Some of you probably also tend to suffer from a little isolation thing because you tend to have a little trust issues, but I'm seeing a very intelligent, introspective attractive kind of a person in general. You can see right through people also. You prefer your peace and quiet. You probably, most of you are not very social and gregarious and all the such stuff, and I'm seeing people appreciating that, because you know what, these days, in this day and age of hyperconnectivity, being able to stay alone is a superpower which you possess for sure. Seven of Cups, you are a person who is also a great manifester. I'm seeing you guys have manifested certain excuse me, excuse me, some superb things in your life already. The World card, you are a person who has literally transformed their world, their life. You have upgraded your life from here to here. I'm seeing you, there was a time when you were literally down in the dumps. You didn't know what you're doing with your life, where your life was headed towards, etc., etc. From there, today you are at a position where you know, there is a sense of direction, there is a sense of purpose to your life as well. 10 of Wands, you are a person who is also very diplomatic, very wise, very capable, at the same time very responsible. You have probably always been very responsible, carrying the burden. I'm seeing a lot of Aquarius and Capricorn, strong Saturn positions, Taurus, Aquarius, Capricorn. Yeah, you're probably not the social butterfly type. Instead, you're more philosophical, a guru of some sort, a public speaker, a motivational speaker, a religious guru into psychiatry, psychology, therapist, occupational therapist, those kind of things. Also, spiritual teacher, Reiki, healer of some sort. These are the things that I can see, and people really gossip about how good you are at what you do. 8 of Wands, yeah, you are also a very stubborn, and if you believe in something, you are willing to die for it. That kind of a person you are. You're a very authentic person. Yeah, you are someone who has got the power, who uses their power in order to help and uplift others, and not to not to pull others down. You use your powers to actually uplift others. That is the gossip, that this is a person who spreads the message of only goodness in the society in general. 9 of Pentacles, you are a person who knows exactly, you are, like, I'm seeing a lot of abundance. And abundance doesn't have to be just materialistic. There is materialistic abundance also. What people are saying is, this is a person who has an all-round abundant life in general. 6 of Pentacles, every blessing you give will eventually be returned to you. Literally, you are a person who is very blessed. You guys have a very blessed life. You're very grateful for whatever you have, whatever life has given you is offering to you. People are saying that. 8 of Cups, if your life feels stale, explore some new scenery. You are somebody who is, a lot of you could be nomads, a lot of you love to travel and tend to literally have wills beneath your heels, and you love to explore. You literally have wanderlust. You need to suffer from that, and you guys tend to literally be like, a lot of you could be solo travelers and backpackers. On, like, every few months you tend to hit the road kind of a lifestyle. A lot of you could be actually like a travel blogger, travel vlogger, or you have a passion for travel. I'm seeing, and people really gossip about that. They are jealous, like how a lot of you actually have upgraded your work in such a way where for your work you have to travel a lot, and it's mostly for free, because it's your work and your company takes care of that, and people are gossiping about the lifestyle that you're being able to maintain because of that. Queen of Cups, honoring your emotions is one of the highest form of self-care. Absolutely. You are a person who genuinely, because you have suffered through life so much at one point, you have realized that if I can't care about myself, I shouldn't expect others to care about me or respect me in any form or pattern. That is exactly the World card twice. Wow. Yay, you did it. Now do something to celebrate a job well done. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is celebrating their life in general. You guys are celebrating your success, your milestones, be it big or small, one after the other. You guys are celebrating that. Queen of Wands, replace your self doubt with self confidence. Yes, you guys have come out as a much stronger, much bolder version of yourself for sure. Remember to practice self love. You are somebody who has really, you have practiced self love like it's no one else's business. You have practiced self love like, you know what, you are like, you tend to embody the concept of self love, and people really, really notice that about you. Release your guilt. You know what? Today, you're no longer that person who would say yes to everybody when they all they wanted to say was to just no. You tend to just put your foot down and say no whenever you feel that's the right thing to do. Thorns, weave together the crown you deserve. Absolutely. I'm seeing you guys are putting together the crown. When life has thrown thorns at you, you've created a crown out of it. You are one of those people who can make an opportunity out of adversity, and people really, really respect that. You know, the gossip I'm getting is a lot of respect that is coming. They are jealous that you have come this far, you have made this far in life. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Namaste.